Hi guys, I'm Bindi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will be doing very interesting eye look. I'm doing this blue and black eye look. This is a blue and black eyeliner look. Very quick, very easy and very good for beginners. I'm not using any foundation, only concealer, few of the eye product. You are good to go. Very quick, very easy, yet very glamorous. You can carry this look with almost any kind of a outfit. So let's start my blue and black eye look. Come. So first I'm taking Pond's Light Moisturizer. So after applying Pond's Light Moisturizer, I am applying concealer. So I have taken this Pro Conceal and I have put a V under my eye and under the mouth area. So now we'll see, this is not a high coverage concealer, then that's the reason I have applied more. So we'll see how it is. If we require, we'll apply more. So evenly I am blending the concealer with my PAC concealer brush. This is on a yellow tint. So after applying this concealer, you need to apply brightening concealer, otherwise your face will look very yellow. And I didn't like this concealer that much, so I don't recommend this concealer. So now I will be taking this kind of a fluffy brush and I will blend my concealer with this brush. I'm applying concealer on entire my face, whatever is remaining in my brush. I don't think so I need more concealer under my eye, but this concealer will not hide your dark circle entirely because this is not a high coverage concealer and it's not blendable as well. So after applying the Insight Cosmetic concealer, that is little bit yellow, so I am taking this LA Girl Pro Conceal because the Insight concealer which we have applied, that is a yellow concealer, so we have to brighten our under eye. So I am taking this concealer, this is a brightening concealer, and I am applying under my eyes. So I am doing this kind of a V. This is a very good concealer. So if you have a budget, then you must invest in LA Girl concealers. So here I am applying under my eyes, little bit here.
Bring the funk back.
Taking the same PAC concealer brush and nicely I am blending my concealer. Because we are not applying any kind of a foundation. Don't worry, all this part we will blend with foundation brush. So nicely I am blending my concealer under my eyes. Now I am taking the same foundation brush and will be blending rest of the concealer. And whatever is remaining on my brush, I am applying on my face. I am taking this Fit Me powder and the shade number is 112. So I am taking this Fit Me powder on my powder brush and I will be applying on my entire face. So I am taking this powder on my powder brush and first I will be setting my under eyes. This is a very good powder, very lightweight, little bit more, and setting nicely my under eyes, nose area and my entire face with the powder. This is a very good brush set which I purchased from Amazon, and I'm very happy with this brush. So today I will be doing black and blue eyeliner look. This is very easy and very glamorous. So if you don't want to apply any eyeshadow or anything else, you can easily carry this black and blue eyeliner, which will look very nice. So let's start. I will show you how I am doing it. So for that I am taking Nicka K's eyeshadow palette, and I must say this is a very good eyeshadow palette. It's one of the amazing palette in a drugstore category. So today I will be using Nicka K. So first I will be taking this very light shade and I will put on my entire eyelid. So I am taking this light color on my fluffy brush and will be putting on entire eyelid. So this shade I am putting on my entire eyelid. This is a very nice blendable eyeshadow. Zero fallout. Little bit more I will take. Now I am doing the same thing with my other eyes. Nicely, evenly, and spreading on my entire eyelid the lightest color in my palette. Crease line also you have to cover it very nicely. We don't want any harsh lines. First take little color, and then if you want you can take it more color and work with it. Now I am taking Blue Heaven eyeliner. Very happy with Blue Heaven product. I have tried bunch of the product of Blue Heaven and it's amazing. So I will be taking Blue Heaven eyeliner. I am doing eyeliner only half, not full. Only half eyeliner will be doing.
Bring the funk back.
Half wing I will do. So I have done only half. Same thing I will do it with my other eyes. Half wing. For wing eyeliner you need lots of practice. So I have applied half wing. I am taking this kind of a brush and I am taking this blue color and will be doing half of the wing with the blue color. Slowly I am building the color.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me.
So half part which was remaining, I have applied blue eyeliner on that remaining half part. Now the black eyeliner which we have done, I will put thin layer of blue color above that black eyeliner.
Bring the funk back.
It's a very nice blue color, and little bit I am applying above that black color. So done. So easy and so quick. I will be quickly doing my other eyes. Will be doing that blue color on that black eyeliner which we have done. You can make it as thick as you want, in line about that black liner which we have applied earlier. Very thin line, so even black should be visible and blue should be visible. I'm taking the same blue color and I'm applying on my lower eyes.
The difference now, if we change it, you know how.
It's a very nice highly pigmented color. Just take little bit and then you can take more if you require. So our eye look is completed. You can see it's so easy and so quick yet so glamorous. Now I am applying my Maybelline mascara nicely. We have to apply the mascara.
Bring the funk back.
So done. The eye look is almost completed. We'll be doing kajal. So for kajal, I am taking this new kajal. I am trying for the first time. This is Lotus Eco Stay Kajal, darkest and safest 10-hour stay kajal. So today I will be trying the Lotus kajal. I am trying this Lotus brand for the first time. Like skincare I have tried, but cosmetic I am trying for the first time. Wow, very nice kajal, very smooth, blendable, very good kajal. I've read really good reviews about this kajal on Nykaa, so I thought okay, let's try. So kajal is done. Now last thing we'll be doing eyebrows. For eyebrows also I'm trying this new eyebrow pencil by Swiss Beauty, and as you all know by now that I like natural eyebrows, so I will be only filling the gaps. All this new drugstore brands, they have come up with very good makeup products and not at all expensive, very pocket friendly yet very good quality. I'm very highly impressed with Nikake, Swiss Beauty, Blue Heaven, very good products. So eyebrows is done, and you can see this eye makeup is looking so nice, so glamorous. I'm really liking this makeup, and it's so easy and so quick. You can fatafat say do this makeup and go in any kind of occasion. This kind of a makeup you can do very quickly and run for any kind of a event, whether it's a nighttime party, whether it's a clubbing, or it's a family function, any puja or any festival. You can carry this look with almost everything, with the Indian outfit also, with the Western outfit also. This eyes will look very good with the saris and very good with the Western outfits. So this eye look is one of my favorite eye look. So now we will quickly do the entire face. Today I am taking Savannah Colors highlighting and bronzing palette. So for contouring I am taking this shade. So I am taking this shade and will contour my jawline and my cheeks. So I'm taking the Swiss Beauty blusher. You can see it's not a matte blush on, it's with a shimmer. So if you don't want to apply any highlighter, this is very good blush on with the highlighter. So this is very good blush on. You can skip highlighter and still your cheeks will look glowy. For that I'm taking my blusher blush and taking little bit on my brush and will be applying on apple of my cheeks. See, it's a very nice coral color and it's with a highlighter, so you don't require highlighter. Take very little before because this is also highly pigmented. I must say Swiss Beauty products are really very good, and other brand new Blue Heaven, Nikake eyeshadows, very good brands. So see, this blush on is so good, you don't require extra highlighter, but I want little bit more glow, so I'm taking this LA color highlighter. Now LA color highlighters are also very good, and this color is so good, so I'm taking little bit on my highlighting brush and will be applying on high point of my face. Oh my god, it's a very good highlighter. Little bit on nose. Take very little because this is highly pigmented. See the glow. It's a very good highlighter. This is hardly for 250 rupees or 300 rupees, I don't remember, but it's so good. So done. The makeup is almost finished. Now only lipstick is remaining. So this is a very dark eye look. For that I am taking this Maybelline lipstick. This is Maybelline's powder matte lipstick in shade 03. So guys, this is my final makeup look. So I hope you like this my makeup look. This is very easy and very quick, yet so glamorous. This blue and black eyes look very good with almost any kind of outfit, whether it's western or Indian. Do try this look and let me know how you liked it, and I will meet you very soon with the new video. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. You will get notification of all my new videos and you will not miss my single video. So I will meet you very soon. Till then, bye bye, see ya, stay happy, stay safe.